Ever found yourself staring at that beautiful Acuity scheduling page, ready to streamline your appointments, but then that little question pops into your head: how exactly do I pay for this thing? You're not alone. It's a crucial piece of the puzzle, and understanding Acuity's payment methods will help you unlock its full potential without any frustrating roadblocks. Think about it. You've likely spent time customizing your availability, setting up those perfect service packages, and crafting those automated reminders. You're on the cusp of reclaiming your inbox and saying goodbye to endless back-and-forth emails. But before you can fully launch into this world of scheduling zen, the financial aspect needs to be crystal clear. Acuity Scheduling, now part of Squarespace, has become a go-to for countless businesses and individuals seeking to simplify their appointment booking process. From solopreneurs managing consultations to larger teams coordinating complex schedules, its versatility is a major draw. But just like any valuable tool, it comes with a subscription fee. And knowing how you can actually pay for that subscription is essential for a smooth and uninterrupted experience. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. What are the ways you can actually fund your Acuity scheduling account and keep those appointments flowing? The primary method for paying for your Acuity subscription is via credit or debit card. This is the most straightforward and widely accepted option. Acuity typically accepts major credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. When you sign up for a paid plan or upgrade your existing free trial, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. This information is securely stored and used for recurring billing based on your chosen subscription period, monthly or annually. Using a credit or debit card offers several advantages. Convenience. It's a quick and easy way to set up your payment. Once your details are entered, billing is generally automatic. Security. Acuity, being part of the reputable Squarespace platform, employs industry-standard security measures to protect your financial information. You can usually see indicators like HTTPS and SSL certificates during the payment process, ensuring your data is encrypted. Seamless billing. Automatic recurring payments mean you don't have to manually remember to pay your subscription each month or year, preventing any service interruptions. Record keeping. Your credit or debit card statements provide a clear record of your Acuity subscription payments for accounting and expense tracking. While credit and debit cards are the mainstays, it's worth noting that being part of the Squarespace ecosystem opens up another potential avenue: payment through your Squarespace account. If you already have a Squarespace website or other Squarespace services and have a payment method on file with them, you might be able to use that same method to pay for your Acuity subscription. This can further streamline your billing if you're already invested in the Squarespace platform. Typically, when you integrate Acuity with your Squarespace site or manage it through your Squarespace account, the billing will be consolidated. This means you'll likely see your Acuity charges reflected on your regular Squarespace invoice. This integration can be particularly handy for those who have bundled services or prefer to manage all their Squarespace-related expenses in one place. It simplifies your financial overview and reduces the number of separate transactions you need to track. Now, while these are the primary ways to pay, you might be wondering about other possibilities. For instance, do they accept PayPal or other digital payment platforms? As of my last update, Acuity primarily focuses on credit and debit card payments, often integrated with the billing system of its parent company, Squarespace. While the digital payment landscape is constantly evolving, direct PayPal or similar integrations for Acuity subscription payments might not be a standard, built-in option. It's always a good idea to check the official Acuity scheduling or Squarespace billing documentation for the most up-to-date information on accepted payment methods. Their help centers are usually very comprehensive and will provide the definitive list. You can typically find this information within your account settings or on their support pages. Why might Acuity primarily stick to these methods? Credit and debit cards offer a reliable and widely accepted infrastructure for recurring subscriptions. They provide a consistent and secure way for businesses to collect payments for their services. Integrating with the established Squarespace billing system further streamlines their financial operations. However, the absence of certain payment methods doesn't necessarily mean they'll never be implemented. Companies often adapt to user demand and technological advancements. So, while PayPal or other options might not be currently standard, It's always worth keeping an eye on any potential updates or changes to their payment policies. Troubleshooting payment issues. What happens if you encounter a problem with your Acuity payment? Here are a few common scenarios and how to address them. Payment failure. If your payment fails, you'll usually receive a notification from Acuity or Squarespace. This could be due to an expired card, insufficient funds, or incorrect billing information. The first step is to update your payment details within your account settings. Double-check the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Also, ensure that the billing address matches the one associated with your card. Incorrect charges. If you believe you've been charged incorrectly, review your subscription plan and billing history within your Acuity account. Compare it with your credit card statements. If you still find a discrepancy, contact Acuity's customer support immediately. They will be able to investigate the issue and provide clarification or a resolution. Changing payment method. If you need to switch to a different credit or debit card, you can usually do this within your account settings. Look for a billing, payment, or subscription section where you can update your payment information. Canceling your subscription. If you decide to cancel your Acuity subscription, it's crucial to do so through your account settings. Simply stopping payment on your credit card might not effectively cancel your account and could lead to further issues. Follow the official cancellation process outlined by Acuity to ensure your subscription is properly terminated. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.